Good afternoon, folks. It's a great day at Trimax Auto, 6400 North Military Highway, Norfolk, Virginia. Folks, here is an absolute rare beauty. This is not a regular XTS. This is the top of the line 2014 Cadillac XTS Platinum VSport twin turbo all-wheel drive, candy red with light grayish creamish interior. Folks, we have master certified GM mechanics on site. This car has been fully serviced. I'm just gonna walk around and close the doors so you guys can see it better. But she is absolutely beautiful. Tires are like new. That candy red metallic is gorgeous. Rear sunshades on the rear doors. Premium Bose sound system. Wood grain interior. Looks nice and rich. Of course, touchscreen dash, all leather dash. Heated, cooled front seats. Heated rear seats. Factory rear entertainment. They fold down into place and they lock in. Let me show it a little better. Rear cup holders. Rear seats are heated. I don't know if I mentioned it. Probably I did. Humongous trunk. My dear God. Sorry for the sun. So I'm gonna go ahead and close everything up except the engine, because I do want to talk about the engine a little bit. Suede headliner, panoramic rooftop. Why don't we open up that panoramic rooftop real quick? That's for the shade. And this is for the panel top. Let's see if it goes back any further. Yep, that's the max. So that's with the panoramic rooftop open. Alright. Folks, Platinum Cadillac. A lot of materials inside the vehicle and outside the vehicle do illuminate. Like these door handles at night, they illuminate right here. It's beautiful. And normally the memory seat is on the driver's side, but the passenger side has memory also, and both front seats are heated and cooled. Backup camera and all that is standard, of course. Let's close the other side too, so you guys can see the complete picture. So, over 100 photos on our website at trimaxauto.com. Point of contact, babyface Justin Johnson, 757-222-0522. All right, what is so special about an XTS V Sport? Well, it is the most powerful XTS available from Cadillac. 3.6 liter variable valve timing twin turbo. So that's why the new V's come with these engines. Runs, drives beautiful, super low miles, driven less than 6,000 miles a year. This one. The engine is running right now. I think you guys can hear it. Absolutely runs, drives beautiful. Plenty of horsepower. Oh, that hood is not closed. Now it's closed. There you go. Let me do another walk around. Folks, absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. These are extremely hard to find. We got lucky with this one. Cadillac XTS. 4 is for all-wheel drive. And it is the V. Many more photos. TriMaxAuto.com. 757-222-0522. If you are local, we say buy with us, service with us. You will be saving quite a bit of money when you service with us. There is nothing we do not service or incapable of servicing as long as we are selling them. Especially we're a Land Rover Jaguar service facility, but we do all Europeans, all domestics, and we have 40 years of experience, GM master techs at our site. If you want to see more, please go to our website at TriMaxAuto.com. Lifetime labor and parts discount if you purchased a vehicle with us, and the service to be done on site at our location. And folks, like we always say, you will not waste a minute with us. That engine is running right now. Up, auto start. Yep, auto start. Telescoping steering wheel. I know you guys. Let me sit inside for a second. Heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, collision avoidance system, everything. She is just pretty. And that opens the glove box when you touch it. There's your owner's manual. Just beautiful, clean, just like the way we want it. Heated cool seats right there. You can adjust the steering wheel however you like. That's your dash right there. All right, if you have any questions, please reach us. We would love to help you out. There's not too many of these around, folks. If you're in the market specifically for an XTS VSport, we got one. Thank you so much for your business. Thank you for all the referrals. We love you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.